In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change and replace the header logo in WordPress. If you've been wanting to refresh your site's look or you've got a new brand identity that you want to show off, updating your header logo is a great place to start. Let's dive into the process step by step to make this as seamless as possible. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There, you will find an option called Appearance. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, a very handy tool that lets you see live previews of any changes you make to your website. Once you're in the Customizer, you'll see several options on the left panel. Here, you want to locate and click the header option. But do note, depending on the theme you're using, it might also be labeled as site identity or something similar. This section is generally where the magic happens in altering your site's major design elements. In the header section, look for an area titled Logo or sometimes Site Logo. This is where you'll be able to change your existing logo to a new one. You should see any existing logo displayed here as well. You'll notice an option to upload a file. Click on it, which will open the WordPress Media Library. Now you're in the Media Library where you can either choose from previously uploaded images or upload a new file from your computer. So, go ahead and click the Upload Files tab if you need to bring in your new logo. Once you've uploaded your desired logo, select it and ensure it's highlighted. Do check if there is the option to crop the image as per your requirement before moving on. After selecting the new image, click the Choose button to set it as your new site logo. You should see an immediate preview reflecting this change in the main window. Take a moment to look over your site and make sure everything looks just right. Sometimes, you may need to adjust the image size. If so, look for any logo width settings here that allow you to fine-tune the size to perfectly fit your header. Once you're satisfied with your new header logo, head back to the top of the Customizer panel and click that Publish button. Clicking Publish is crucial because only then will these changes be visible to your site's visitors. And there you have it, a fresh new logo proudly displayed at the top of your WordPress site. This is a wonderful way to give your site a new look and feel without diving into complex coding or more intensive design work. Thank you for tuning in.